welcome everyone, this is Archie. So in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about the WWE superstars who have changed their looks in 2021. So let's start the list. Watch the video till the end. Okay. So first we have Becky Lynch on the list. So we all know that after Money in the Bank 2020, Becky Lynch takes a leave from WWE due to her pregnancy, and we also get to notice Becky Lynch's figure during Seth Rollins and Becky Lynch's photo shootout. So it's quite been clear, and it's also quite obvious that during pregnancy Becky Lynch will have some hamper to her figure, to her wrestling figure. So it's quite obvious, but as right now we all know that she has given the birth of her child on December, so her child is also 1 month old. So right now the inside news is quite strong that Becky Lynch will return in WWE before or after WrestleMania. So big plan has been awaited for Becky Lynch, and right now also Becky Lynch is training really hard to make her body looks fit, because it's quite obvious, and Becky Lynch has promised us that she will return as soon as possible to WWE. So it's a big thing, and as you can see on the picture, that her figure is looking really great. Okay, now to the next superstar, we have Braun Strowman. So Braun Strowman has been out from WWE due to his injury, and those who follows Braun Strowman in his social media account, they notice that Braun Strowman is also training really hard. He is posting his physiques photo, he is also comparing his previous physiques and current physiques. So it's a big change right now. As you can see that Braun Strowman over the year has also changed his physiques really good, but right now in 2021 his physiques looks the best, I would say, in his career. And I prefer that he will return at Royal Rumble, which is a very good sign for his career. So let's see when he will return, but I think that whenever he returns he will have a good storyline, because he has improved his physiques, and I think that many new things will await for him in this year. Okay, so on the next we have Brock Lesnar. So Brock Lesnar has not been seen in WWE after WrestleMania, after he loses the title to Drew McIntyre. But what Brock Lesnar is doing for entire this time, so the big question is that, and he has revealed his new looks. As you can see that he has changed his beard style, he has changed his hairstyle. His physics looks almost the same because he is always fit, but he has changed his beard style and hairstyle. So whether he will return in WWE with this particular style or not, or whether he will back in the with the clean shave look, that's the real question. But Brock Lesnar looks really cool, and if he takes this gimmick and if he takes this look and returns to WWE, I think it will be a huge surprise for us fan, because we all prefer new looks for the superstar. Okay, on the next we have none other than Seth Rollins. So Seth Rollins has also been out from WWE after Survivor Series, as he has taken the paternity leave due to her wife's pregnancy. But right now Seth Rollins is all pumped up to return, and even though he has hit the gym quite well during this period, but his beard has grown really big. So as you can see on the picture, this is the live that he has made on his Instagram account, and he has grown his beard. Whether Seth Rollins will keep this look and return at the Rumble, that's the real question, because I think I prefer the old Seth Rollins look that we have seen in the entire 2020, because this look is not really suited. And also to mention 2020, those who have seen Seth Rollins physique in 2020, they have take a look at his figure. I think all of us have noticed that he has got into some fat in his belly, but I think that Seth Rollins is working really hard on his physique, and he will return in a strong way for Royal Rumble, because his physique in 2019 was the best I think ever, or 2018 is the best I think we ever had. Okay, now the last superstar is none other than the tribal chief Roman Reigns. So Roman Reigns, after he has taken his time off before WrestleMania, and when he returns at SummerSlam, there was a drastic change in his physique. During that lockdown also, he's continuously hits the gym, he has continuously trains hard to come back. And when he comes back, he is now wrestling in his with bare body for the first time in his career on WWE main roster. So as we have noticed that his physique, his body, his abs have grown really good. That's why Roman Reigns had decided to wrestle bare body, which is also a big decision for his career. And I think Roman is looking really good. He's looking fit, he's looking good. His beard has grown really big, and that's also a big signature style. This adds a real spice to his negative character. So I think that Roman Reigns totally suited the tribal chief character, and the way he's portraying it, it's really good. And his physique is also helping that. So these are the changes that I believe that the wrestlers have made in this year. So let's see when they will return, whether they will return with a new look or not. But I think that this superstar is have really shocked me with their new looks. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and please guys do subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video soon. Cheers.